In 2025, I built a fully 3D printed RC plane from scratch. I designed it, printed it, and built it. This build didn't happen overnight. It took 3 months of printing, assembling, and problem-solving. Back in October, everything started with the tail section. This phase focused on installing the servos and mounting the tail control surfaces. Because everything is 3D printed, alignment was critical. Any small issue here would affect the entire aircraft later on. In November, I moved on to the wing, one of the most important parts of the plane. This stage took more time than expected, but it was necessary to get the structure right. Once the wing was finished, the project finally started to feel like a real aircraft. December was all about the fuselage and putting everything together. This is where all the electronics, printed parts, and structure came together into one complete airplane. Seeing my airplane fully assembled for the first time was easily the most satisfying moment of the build. But there's a major issue with this plane: the weight. The Sonix ended up being way too heavy for its size and design. To really fix that, it would need a full redesign, less filament, structural changes, and a different approach to the airframe. That said, I'm still going to try to fly it, even with the extra weight. But now the question is, should I keep going and redesign the Sonix? Or should I move on to the next project? Because I'm already building an EDF jet.